What's up, y'all? Obviously, I do not have that TikTok dance down pat yet.
Better get it.
I messed it up. It was like,
Before I get hit.
You know, anyways, so what's up, y'all? It's your girl DJ.
It's your boy Willie B.
And we out here riding.
So we've been cruising for a little minute today. But we thought we were like, come out here and
do something different.
Yeah, switch it up on y'all.
I want to play horseshoe.
It's not horseshoe, it's horse.
I want to
no
play.
shoe.
Well, the horseshoe. Okay, so the horseshoe. Yeah, that. I want to play horse, y'all.
Alright, yeah, so we're gonna play horse. So
whatever he do, I'ma do.
Yeah, vice versa.
Let me check the camera and make sure he got space. We just want y'all to experience the fun that we be having throughout the day, because we be getting it. We be finding ways all the time to perfect our craft. GoPro still on. To perfect
Everything
our crafts. And sometimes you gotta take it back to the basics.
But make it fun at the same time. You feel me?
So I challenge you.
Alright.
So you gotta do what I do.
This should be easy.
I'm gonna do a wheelie on mine.
It's okay, it's not correct. We definitely need something to like hold us down though.
Angle that thing to the pole.
This at the pole?
You gotta touch the pole.
Okay.
He's shaking his head like whatever.
Yeah, basically. What hand? We'll see. I'ma just yeah.
Whatever hand you want. Turn the bike on.
I'm gonna have to move the camera for this one. I don't see her touching no pole. Yeah, that's how I was when I tried to catch it. Did you touch the pole?
Alright, let's not get a challenge. What is he about to do, y'all? That's not the pole. That's not the pole though. Your bike. Your bike. The yellow part.
Yeah, you gotta touch the yellow part. Yeah, yeah.
U-turn.
And we gotta practice on it.
Let's see. this line. All right.
Yeah, you can ride that far line. You gotta come back in on that line. Turning up the heat. You feel me? She got it. Whip it, girl. Oh! Yeah. You had to clutch it a little bit. Yeah.
I don't know what I did. I was like, oh. Stanky leg style, y'all, but I did it. So, with that being said, next.
All right.
What do you think about
It's a swerve game, like.
Dang, he gotta get out of my head, y'all, because I promise I was thinking about that.
Kick up right in front of your bike.
Huh?
And point that way.
Swerve game says. Let's see what his swerve game is like.
That was hard. That one was harder than I thought.
Trying to swerve in and out.
Yeah.
Of
Every
each
line
one?
is a little too tight though. Like doing it at every line, you can do it, but it's like you gotta go slow. But maybe every 2 lines. You know what I mean?
But so right here, but the first one you just did was
The first one was every line. So the first one I was on this side and I tried to get to this side before I got to this line. But then I tried to get back to this side before I got to that line.
okay.
But that's tight. It's like, that's real clutch. Like clutch action. You gonna be on that clutch hard. Yeah, don't back up. Damn, camera stand, y'all. Okay. I see. She was turning that thing. She said, yep, yep, yep. All right, so we playing horse. I got an H.
I don't know. We might be on the nail. All right, this ring.
Well, I mean, if I mess it up and you mess it up, it don't count as nothing.
I didn't mess it up.
Yeah, you did it. That's what I'm saying. So
Oh.
I have an H. Or, well, actually, I got to go back and do it. Is it? What's the rules, y'all?
All right, you guys. So we don't spell horse whether we did it right or wrong. I mean, we spelled it right, but whether we played the game right or wrong, it doesn't matter because we spelled horse.
All in all, get your practice in. You feel me?
However you gotta get it, whatever way you gotta play it, the basics will save your life. So